If you've ever struggled with your vision or just want to keep those eyes healthy as you age, today's video is for you. I'm going to share some incredible foods that can actually help repair and maintain your eyesight. You know, our eyes are one of the most important parts of our body. From reading the fine print to enjoying breathtaking views, our vision plays a key role in our daily lives. But let's be real, as we age, our eyesight can deteriorate. And did you know that our eyes are constantly fighting against the effects of blue light? From screens, pollution, and aging? If you're anything like me, you spend a lot of time staring at your phone or computer. It's time we show our eyes a little love. Nutrition is a powerful tool when it comes to maintaining and improving our vision. So what if I told you that certain foods could help slow that process down? Let's talk about them. 1. Wild salmon and oily fish. Now you might be wondering, what's the big deal about fish? Well, did you know that the omega-3 fatty acids found in these tasty treasures can actually impact your eye health? Stick around because we're uncovering the secrets to vision repair and overall eye wellness. First off, let's talk about those omega-3 fatty acids. These are essential fats that you need for your body to function properly. Your body can't produce them on its own, which means we need to get them through our diet. Rich sources include wild salmon, mackerel, sardines, and anchovies. But here's where it gets interesting. Omega-3s are known to play a key role in maintaining healthy vision. So how exactly do omega-3s benefit our eyes? Well, one of the primary acids, DHA, docosahexaenoic acid, makes up a significant part of our retina. It's like the brain for our eyes. Studies have shown that higher levels of DHA can support visual processing and lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration, or AMD for short. And trust me, you don't want that. AMD is one of the leading causes of vision loss, especially in older adults. Beyond supporting healthy vision, omega-3 fatty acids also help with repair and protection. They possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe dry eyes, something a lot of us struggle with in our screen-dominated lives. Not to mention, they've been linked to reduced risk of eye diseases and help improve overall eye comfort. Imagine being able to watch your favorite movies without the constant irritation of dry, scratchy eyes. Now let's talk about the type of fish. While you might be tempted by the cheaper option of farmed salmon, wild-caught salmon is generally considered the superior choice, both for its flavor and nutritional content. Wild salmon typically has higher levels of omega-3s compared to farmed varieties. Farmed salmon is often fed processed feed, which can lower their omega-3 content and increase unhealthy fats. Wild salmon, on the other hand, thrives in its natural habitat, which promotes better health benefits. So next time you're in the seafood aisle, remember that wild is your best bet for eye health. 2. Leafy greens like Swiss chard. Swiss chard is packed with essential nutrients. Just 1 cup of cooked Swiss chard provides significant amounts of vitamins K, A, and C, along with magnesium, potassium, and iron. Did you know that vitamin A in particular is a key player in maintaining healthy vision? It's true. This vitamin supports the retina and helps our eyes adapt to changes in light. Plus, the antioxidants in Swiss chard, like lutein and zeaxanthin, are powerful protectors against blue light damage. They're naturally found in the eye and are crucial for vision health. Okay, let's talk about why these nutrients matter, especially as we age or spend long hours in front of screens. Modern life can be pretty taxing on our eyes. That pesky blue light from screens can lead to digital eye strain and may contribute to long-term vision issues. But here's where Swiss chard comes to the rescue. Research shows that the lutein and zeaxanthin help filter out harmful blue light, reducing the risk of damage and preserving our vision. In fact, consuming these nutrients regularly can even lower the risk of age-related macular degeneration. 3. Eggs from pasture-raised chicken. First things first. What does pasture-raised even mean? Well, it's all about how chickens are raised. Unlike conventional farming, where chickens are often kept indoors in cramped conditions, pasture-raised chickens have the freedom to roam outside in the fresh air, bask in the sunlight, and forage for bugs and greens. This lifestyle doesn't just make them happier, it produces eggs that are far more nutritious. Now, let's talk nutrients. Pasture-raised eggs are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, especially when it comes to supporting our vision. One word, lutein. Ever heard of it? This powerful antioxidant is a game changer for eye health. And guess what? Pasture-raised eggs have about double the amount of lutein compared to conventional eggs. Lutein plays a crucial role in protecting our eyes from harmful blue light and can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. So every time you enjoy a pasture-raised egg, you're not just treating your taste buds, you're also treating your eyes. And it's not just about lutein. Pasture-raised eggs are also rich in another fantastic nutrient, zeaxanthin. Along with lutein, zeaxanthin contributes to eye health by filtering harmful blue light and protecting our retina. Researchers believe that adding these eggy gems to your diet can significantly lower the chances of serious eye conditions. But wait, there's more. These eggs are also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. Studies have shown that omega-3s are crucial for our eye health because they help to repair eye cells and can even help prevent dry eyes. When you choose pasture-raised eggs, you're choosing a source that provides a higher level of these healthy fats. 4. Bell peppers. Let's break down what makes these vibrant veggies so good for us. Bell peppers are loaded with vitamins A, C, and E, 3 silent champions when it comes to eye health. Did you know that a single cup of raw bell pepper can give you more than 100% of your daily vitamin C needs? Crazy, right? Vitamin C is crucial for maintaining the health of your eyes and plays a significant role in preventing cataracts. Meanwhile, vitamins A and E act like superhero sidekicks, working together to protect your vision in many ways. Vitamin A helps prevent night blindness, while vitamin E is important for protecting the retina from oxidative stress. Okay, so how do these vitamins actually help repair and protect our eyes? Vitamin A is essential for producing the pigments in the retina, ensuring we can see in low-light conditions. Think of it as your eye's personal bodyguard, keeping them safe from potential damage. The presence of antioxidants in bell peppers, particularly carotenoids like lutein and zeaxanthin, also help filter harmful blue light. 5. Carrots. Carrots are packed with a powerhouse of nutrients. These beauties are almost entirely water, but what they do have is rich in beta-carotene, fiber, vitamins K1, potassium, and antioxidants. But what really stands out about carrots is that bright orange color, which comes primarily from beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A that plays a crucial role in our vision. Now, why is beta-carotene so important for our eyes? Well, once we consume it, our bodies convert it into vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining good vision. It helps to protect the cornea, the outer covering of the eye, and it supports the retina's ability to trap light and turn it into signals our brain can understand. This is especially critical for our nighttime vision and may prevent issues like night blindness. And here's a cool fun fact. Countries with high carrot consumption have been linked to lower instances of vision-related problems. Just think about it. A simple snack could keep those peepers in tip-top shape. You might be wondering if there's any science behind this. Well, there has been extensive research that links diets high in beta-carotene and other antioxidants to reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Studies show that individuals who incorporate carrots and other colorful fruits and veggies into their diets have experienced a significant decrease in eye health issues. Now that you're inspired to eat more carrots, let's talk about how to incorporate them into your diet. They're incredibly versatile. Raw as a crunchy snack, blended in smoothies for a natural sweetness, or roasted with a drizzle of honey for a cozy side dish. You can even whip them up into a delicious carrot cake if you're feeling indulgent. 6. Berries. From blueberries to strawberries and blackberries to cranberries, berries are packed with vitamins and antioxidants. But what does that really mean for our eyes? They're rich in vitamin C, vitamin A, and essential minerals like zinc and magnesium. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining healthy vision and can even help delay the onset of age-related eye diseases. The antioxidants found in berries like anthocyanins can combat oxidative stress in our eyes. This means they help repair the damage caused by free radicals, those nasty little molecules that can wreak havoc on our body. Studies have shown that a diet rich in these antioxidants is linked to reduced risk of conditions like cataracts and macular degeneration. That means adding these sweet treats to your daily routine can literally be a game changer. 7. Sweet potatoes. Did you know that this humble tuber is not just a tasty side dish? It holds incredible benefits for our eye health. Stick around because I'm going to share how sweet potatoes can help repair and protect your vision. First, let's talk nutrition. Sweet potatoes are packed with vitamins and minerals that are essential for eye health. They're rich in beta-carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin a nutrient that's crucial for maintaining good vision. Did you know that vitamin A helps us see in low light? It also plays a role in the prevention of age-related macular degeneration, AMD. Half a cup of sweet potatoes provides more than 100% of your daily value of vitamin A. Just think about it. Every time you enjoy these bad boys, you're giving your eyes a powerful boost. Now, aside from beta-carotene, sweet potatoes are teeming with antioxidants like vitamin C and E. These nutrients not only support overall immune function, but also protect our eyes from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can lead to cataracts and other degenerative eye diseases. So popping some cuddly sweet potato fries in your oven isn't just a treat. You're actively fighting against these risks. 8. Broccoli. First off, did you know that broccoli is packed with vital nutrients? Just 1 cup of this veggie contains more vitamin C than an orange. It's also loaded with antioxidants, fiber, and essential vitamins like K, A, and several B vitamins. But what's even more exciting is its impact on our vision. Broccoli contains a special compound called lutein. Now, you might not have heard of it, but lutein is a carotenoid. It's a super important player in maintaining healthy eyes, helping to filter out harmful blue light rays and protecting the retina from damage. Kind of like a natural pair of sunglasses, right? But that's not all. There's also another antioxidant that broccoli is rich in, zeaxanthin. Studies have shown that these two compounds, when combined, can significantly reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. And let's be honest, no one wants to deal with blurry vision down the line or spend hours at the eye doctor. So how can we incorporate more broccoli into our diet? Honestly, it couldn't be easier. Try adding it to smoothies, tossing it in stir-fries, or even roasting it with some olive oil and spices. It's versatile and ready to soak up delicious flavors. 9. Avocado. Let's talk about what makes avocados so special. Packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, avocados are one of nature's most nutrient-dense foods. But today, we're zoning in on 2 specific nutrients, lutein and zeaxanthin. These powerful antioxidants are found in high concentrations in avocados and are known to play a significant role in supporting eye health. Lutein and zeaxanthin are carotenoids that filter harmful blue light, protecting your eyes from damage and reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. In simple terms, they act like natural sunglasses. So by incorporating avocados into your meals, you can enhance your eyes' resilience against damage and maintain healthy vision as you age. But that's not all. These nutrients also help improve contrast sensitivity and visual performance. If you've ever struggled with seeing in low-light conditions or have experienced glare, these 2 superheroes can help improve your overall vision quality. Moving on to the healthy fats, avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are crucial for absorbing fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K. This means that when you enjoy avocado with your salads or other veggies, you're actually boosting your body's ability to absorb these essential nutrients, including those that are vital for your eyesight. To sum it all up, avocados are not only delicious and versatile, but also serve as powerful allies for your eye health. By including them in your diet, you're nourishing not just your taste buds, but your eyes as well. So go on, grab that avocado. Let me know in the comments below how you like to enjoy this scrumptious fruit, or if you have any eye health tips you want to share. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more informative content, and hit that bell icon for notifications on my latest videos. 10. Walnuts. These little gems are nutrient-rich, loaded with antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and nutrients that are invaluable for our eye health. Just 1 ounce of walnuts contains an impressive amount of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, which is essential for maintaining good vision. Let's break down 3 key benefits of walnuts for your eyes. Benefit 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Walnuts are packed with antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols. These compounds fight oxidative stress and inflammation. Inflammatory diseases, including macular degeneration, can severely affect our vision. By incorporating walnuts into your diet, you're providing your eyes with the tools they need to fight back. Benefit 2. Supports retinal health. The omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts play a crucial role in supporting retinal health. The retina is responsible for processing light and sending visual signals to the brain. Studies show that omega-3s can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. So, if you want to keep your vision sharp as you age, walnuts should definitely be on your menu. Benefit 3. Enhances overall eye function. Regular walnut consumption has also been linked to improved visual function. It may enhance contrast sensitivity. That's how well you can see things against different backgrounds. This is especially important for activities like driving, where seeing in low light is essential. Remember, our eyes are crucial for how we experience the world. With just a few changes to our diet, we can help protect and preserve our vision for years to come. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips.